Okay, endo and exothermic. I'm hoping this is going to be a fast video. Well, let's see what happens. There are a couple different points of view I want to look at. The physics and chemistry point of view, and I also want to look at the biology point of view. And you'll see why I had to do this in a minute. So, physics and chemistry, endo and exothermic. Well, let's break those words down. Let's look at their origins. Endo means in, and exo means out. So thermic means heat. So if you wanted to say endothermic, that means heat in. And exothermic, you got it, it means, one too many hills on my M there. Oh well, that means heat out. So let's see an example. Let's say you've got an ice cube, and the ice cube is just sitting out around. And let's say that the ice cube is at 0 degrees Celsius, and the room is at, say, 25 degrees Celsius. What's going to happen is heat is going to go from the room into the ice cube, and that's going to make it melt. Kind of obvious, right? So if you were the ice cube, if we're looking at things from the ice cube's point of view, heat is coming into you, right? So this is an endothermic thing going on, because heat is coming into the ice cube. All right. Another example, say you've got a cup of coffee, and it's really, really hot. Let's say it's like 99 degrees Celsius, almost boiling, and the room is, again, 25 degrees Celsius. What's going to happen here is heat is leaving the coffee and heading out into the room. So that is exothermic. Now, I have to, the reason I'm making this video is because the biology people kind of mess me up a little bit here. If you ask a biology person what we humans are, endothermic or exothermic, they are going to say that we humans are endothermic. And the reason why biology people will say that is because we generate our heat on the inside. So from a biology person's point of view, they're thinking, okay, so our heat comes from within. So that's why they say that we are endothermic. However, from my point of view, from a physics person point of view, here's the way I look at it. Like if you have a person, this is a thermal image of a person. You can see the ear is cold, and then like their carotid artery right here is giving off a lot of heat. Looks kind of warm right there in their ear hole. So this is a thermal image of a person. And this thermal image was taken, well, how was it taken? It was taken with a camera that can see what? It was taken with a camera that can see heat leaving the person. So from my point of view, from the physics point of view, we humans are exothermic because we are giving off heat. Heat is leaving us. So in this class, and I hope I'm not teaching you a mistake. If I am, I apologize. But in this class, if I ask you whether we humans are endothermic or exothermic, our answer is going to be exothermic because we humans are giving off heat to our environment.